I'd like to take the next few minutes to show you how our clusters dashboard helps DevOps engineers manage enterprise Kubernetes at scale. Komodor breaks the clusters view into three categories: reliabilities, policies, and cost. For this AWS cluster, we can quickly see high-level telemetry, like how many nodes are in the cluster, if any of the nodes are unhealthy, total number of services and pods, as well as cluster resource consumption. If we expand the reliability card, you can see a number of things that need my attention. Things like the fact that this AWS cluster currently needs to be upgraded. We've got 2 weeks until end of life, but before I can safely upgrade, depending on what version I want to upgrade to, there are a number of underlying custom resources that I will need to patch first because they have a dependency on Kubernetes APIs that will become deprecated once I upgrade. I can also see that I have an ongoing node pressure issue. In this particular case, it's caused by a noisy neighbor that doesn't have a memory limit set. I can now see what needs to be done to resolve this problem, as well as see how widespread it's been impacting other workloads within inside of the cluster. I can also see things like low resiliency alerts, and we have a number of different policies that are being checked here. Things like, do I have my replica count set above 1? Is my disruption budget configured? And what does distribution look like? We can see here that I'm distributed across multiple nodes, but I don't have this application distributed across multiple cloud availability zones. I can also see insights into popular CRDs like Cert Manager, for example. I can see here that I've got multiple certificates that have been expired, and I can even see the logs for the Cert Manager to help me understand what's happening and what I need to do, in this case, making an adjustment to my DNS record in order to resolve this problem. If we come down and look at policy-specific related issues, I can see things like root access is allowed or privilege escalation. I can also see single point of failure and things like labels not set properly in my environment. Komodor also has what we call the cost component of clusters reliability. This gives operators a view into how well resource optimization is being done within inside of the clusters and helps them understand if things like scheduling failures are occurring because we don't have the cluster properly right-sized. We look forward to exploring more of the platform's features that will continuously improve reliability of your enterprise Kubernetes environments over time.